What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Amazon Basics shipping packing tape, if you will. In this review, I'll tell you everything you need to know about this tape and just basically let you know my experience with it overall. All right, so I'll admit I was a little hesitant to even do this review, right? Because at the end of the day, you guys, it's tape. I mean, this is tape, right? It's a commodity. It's something that, how much better could it get from other brands? So here's kind of my insights for it, right? So I, obviously use this a lot. We're shipping probably about 10 to 15 packages every single week of things that we have. And we had, brand name tape that, would obviously get the job done. And I found Amazon Basics, this brand, just because it is really just, based on affordability. And I thought, okay, well, this one is usually more affordable than the other ones that I could find. And I wanted to test if it was just as good or better. And I'm happy to report that it is. It's definitely, I would say better than some brands and just as good as all the others that you would know. It obviously works. Stickiness is just as good as you would hope it would be. One thing that I did notice, which I think is important, is that the thickness of these rolls is typically even more thick than other rolls that are out there. I think that's important because not only is it just as sticky, just as durable, everything like that, but it's actually a little bit more bang for your buck. And usually Amazon Basics is also highly affordable. So if you're considering it and like, I'm not sure if this tape is actually really good and if we should use it. I mean, we, take it from us. We ship a lot of stuff and definitely like this tape overall.